The coronavirus is on the minds of people around the world. The negative outcomes of stress can result in decreased immune system function, increased anxiety and depression, high blood pressure, and illness of all kinds. The best thing to do during times of stress and uncertainty is to relax and tune in to what you are truly grateful for. So let's begin a short meditation that will help you calm the body and relax the mind. Focusing in on what you appreciate in your life. Please take a nice deep breath in, and when you breathe out, let your eyes easily close. Notice how you automatically got a little more relaxed. Now, let the thought of someone that you care about to come alive in your mind. Feeling in your body where the sensations of love arise for you. Notice right now how good this feeling is. The experience of gratitude for someone you love. Bring awareness now to your healthy body. Oxygen is being absorbed through the lungs and circulated through the bloodstream in an endless rhythm. Give yourself permission to fully relax right now. Let any worries related to the virus to drift away. You are allowed to take a break from all this stress. Focus on you, your ability to overcome challenges, your desire to be solution-focused, your natural ability to care for yourself. Imagine now you are able to witness your immune system functioning perfectly, effortlessly fighting off any foreign invaders at tremendous speed.